Can a plane be piloted by hundreds of pilots at the same time? The answer is no. It's always under the command of a highly trained pilot to ensure safe operations. The autopilot is the key piece of electronics that replaces the pilot who commandeers the aircraft. It is what makes unmanned flight possible. Introducing NavGati, India's only tightly integrated Atmanirbhar autopilot for unmanned systems. That is designed ground up from the chip to the GCS, to act exactly like that single commander of the plane would. NavGati coupled with Zuppa, its inseparable ground control software. GCS is a fully integrated, highly optimized embedded control system developed by Zuppa that employs its proprietary globally unique technology of disseminated parallel control computing in real-time DPCC. What's more, Zuppa comes with an integrated software black box texter that records critical flight parameters of every flight of the drone, thus ensuring complete visibility from an operational perspective. Zuppa's end-to-end control of NavGati Autopilot solution ensures comprehensive data security and visibility, ensuring Indian data remains within India. This is why NavGati is turning out to be a preferred choice of leading defense organizations like multiple DRDO labs and DPSUs, like HAL, Honeywell to name a few. If you are manufacturing drones in India that are used by defense, homeland security, infrastructure monitoring, GIS surveys or any other applications where data security is important, you can be rest assured that NavGati is your answer. For partnership inquiries, contact partners at zuppa.io.